Hi.
Miss Kayla.
You're kidding.
No way.
Yeah. Okay, so that's Brooke. Who's sexy now. Anyways, so I'm gonna do another song, I guess. I'm gonna do whistle because I want to do something that you can actually hear my voice. So I'm gonna do whistle. I'm not gonna do the rap part because it sucks. And so I'm just gonna do whistle and the whistle part, which I can't really do without my tip. Okay. And can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. Okay, there we go. I want to do a payphone. No.
No. We're gonna listen
I'm
to
not a payphone. Oh, but wait.
Oh, snap, just do a recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of payphone because I got some too. I'm not a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't kiss, I would still be holding you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I gotta pay phone.